When using websites in classroom, it is hard to control a group of Year 7 to stay on the recommended page and not to browse around. Also, since Japanese is not as popular as subjects such as English and math, it is hard to find website resources for students to use in classroom. Plus, the content of a website is fixed. It is not very convenient for teachers to select which part of the website to use. Interactive whiteboard actually is quite handy in Japanese teaching because there are few resources available to be used on IWB, such as word matches and word puzzles. However, each round of the IWB games is only available for 1 to 2 students, which left the rest of the class unattended and bored. A group of Year 7 are not ready to self-monitoring when they are not engaged in the activity. Thus, IWB games are not recommended to a large group of students who are too young to control themselves. Video can engage learners. Think the video as a text or source of information that can be used to capture learners' attention while teaching them. Video is also a great source of information. Video nowadays contains more information than traditional ways of teaching. Also, video plays an important role in ICT, especially known as a flipped classroom, that teachers create videos about key knowledge points, such as grammar structures, and upload to the school LMS. Then students can watch before the class. For language learning, it is hard to display text, words in the video. If you use subtitles as the carrier of the vocab, then the playing video image may need to be freeze to adapt the long subtitle. Even if I use video scribe, the video are still difficult to display properly. The learners will need to stare at the drawing for a really long time, which will disengage the learners. For instance, the pink part up there takes 30 seconds to finish, and video scribe only support one drawing at a time. So, if the teacher would like to use video scribe to teach vocab in class and draws a picture with a word, then students will have to stare at the picture for 30 seconds, then wait for the words to be finished. It is time consuming. Now I would like to present you an iBook I made. iBook is great for language learning because it combines text, vocab, with video and picture. Learners can watch the video and listen to the pronunciation, and they can also look at pictures in order to help them understand better. Also, iBooks are easy to access on tablets, phones, and PC. So it has a front page content katakana chart, and I have also inserted a video to help them learn the pronunciation. Also, it can insert pictures. And it is easy to take notes here. Highlight the key point and add note. This one is Nani o shimasu ka? It means what do you do? Also, you can see the grammar structures here and picture to illustrate the vocab. Also, there is a vocabulary list